And next topic is binary subtraction using 2's complement. Here we need to follow these 4 steps. First step is determine 2's complement of subtrahend, add it to minuend. If a final carry is there, that carry is discarded. In 1's complement, final carry is again adding to LSB, right? And here if final carry is there, that carry is discarded. Next, fourth point, if there is no carry, same thing. Again, do the 2's complement of the result. And that answer is in the form of a negative, right? So, these are the 4 steps we have to follow while doing the binary subtraction using 2's complement method, right? We'll take one example. Is a 1100 base 2 minus 1001 base 2. Let's see first decimal subtraction. So 1100 binary form in decimal, answer is 12. 1001 binary form in decimal, answer 9. 12 minus 9, 3. So we'll get answer is 3. So in binary subtraction using 2's complement also we should get 3. We have to follow these 4 steps. First point is first step. What is first step? Determine 2's complement of subtrahend. You know already this number considered as minuend, and this is the one subtrahend. Okay. In first step, determine 2's complement of subtrahend. So what is subtrahend here? 1001. Okay. So for this 1001, we need to take 2's complement. 2's complement. What is 2's complement? First do 1's complement, add it to 1, then we'll get the 2's complement. So first do 1's complement. You know how to do 1's complement? Ones as zeros, zeros as ones. Change ones as zeros, zeros as ones. Now this is one's complement. Okay. If you add 1 to LSB, then that is the 2's complement. So 1, 1, 1, 0. Now this is 2's complement. Okay. So now first step is completed. Then go to second step, add it to minuend. Whatever answer is there, that answer should be adding to minuend. So here minuend answer is 1100. Then again do the addition. What type of addition here? Binary addition. You know already binary how to take the binary addition. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0 carry 1. Final carry is 1. Answer is 0, 0, 1, 1. Now second point, second step completed. Then go for third point. If you get final carry, then that carry is discarded. Okay, simply in 2's complement, if you get final carry, that carry will be discarded and the result should be the answer, right? So 0, 0, 1, 1 is now our answer. 0, 0, 1, 1 is 3. Now is it matching with the decimal subtraction? Yes. 12 minus 9, 3. So here 1100 minus 1001, answer is 0011. So this is the binary subtraction using 2's complement method. We'll take one more example. 0011 minus 0011 base 2 minus 1001 base 2. Okay. So this is the question. Subtraction using 2's complement. So first we'll take decimal subtraction. 0011 means 3, right? Decimal answer is 3. Next 1001 decimal answer is 9. So 3 minus 9, answer is minus 6, right? Minus 6. Decimal subtraction we got minus 6. Okay, right. Now we'll take the binary subtraction using 2's complement method. First point, determine 2's complement of subtrahend. We know this is minuend and second number as a subtrahend, right? Determine 2's complement subtrahend. So 2's complement of subtrahend. So we'll take first subtrahend, that is 1001. This 1001, we need to find 2's complement. We know already how to take 2's complement. First do 1's complement, then add it to 1. Okay. So 1's complement 0, 1, 1, 0. This is 1's complement, right? Then adding to 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now it is 2's complement. Okay. Up to here, first point completed. Right? Then go for second point, add it to minuend. Add it to minuend, whatever the answer is there, simply that answer is adding to minuend. Minuend is 0011. Okay? What type of addition here? Binary addition. 1 plus 1, 0, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. If you have 3 ones, answer is 1, carry is 1. Simply remember, if you have 3 ones at a time, then result is 1, carry is 1. Okay? Right. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. So 1010 is the answer. Right? Up to here, second point completed. Second step completed. Then go for third point. If you get final carry, that carry will be discarded. Right? If there is no final carry, then do the complement of result. Okay, if it is 1's complement method, do 1's complement. If it is 2's complement method, then do the 2's complement. This is 2's complement method, right? Then do 2's complement for this result. Okay, you know already 2's complement, how to take 2's complement. First do the 1's complement, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then add it to 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 as a 0. Okay, this is the answer.